Hey guys, it's me, Kara. It is the night before St. Patrick's Day, and I'm out with my boyfriend. We just came from a party at the club that we belong to. I had 2 drinks, and we're going to have one at this restaurant that we're at now, and then we're going home. And then I plan on tricking him into opening my Ipsy March bag and doing a review on it. I saw that another person had their husband open their Ipsy bag and do a review on it. It was really funny. And so I think that my boyfriend reviewing my Ipsy bag would be pretty funny. Want to show you one thing. My eyes. Green. A little bit of gold. And this is a great deal. This green is from the Tarte Christmas Collection Pineapple, which is on sale at Sephora right now for $42. I think it's a good deal. Green. And then the gold is a liquid eyeshadow that I got in an Ipsy bag. So, okay. It's going to be funny to trick my boyfriend, so I'm going to do that when I get home, probably in about 45 minutes, so, okay, bye! Okay, can you please sit over here? We're going to do something really fun.
I'm not dressed.
You don't have to be dressed. It's a very casual thing we're doing, but,
Should I take the sweatshirt off?
no! Okay, surprise! Pat and I are home from the St. Patty's Day party. We did not drink excessively. In fact, it's 10 o'clock, so we're home. And what we're going to do today is that Pat is going to do an unboxing of my Ipsy bag. Now, he understands that we women are very crazy about our subscription bags. We love them. But what does he know about what's in them, what they're worth, what they do? We're going to find out.
Let's go.
Pat, did I tell you about this beforehand?
No.
My Ipsy bag came today. Today is Saturday, and it came very, very late. It came around 4, and around 4 I was getting ready to go to the party, which was at 6. So here you go, Patrick.
Thank you.
We have the Ipsy bag for March 2019. We have scissors, and I'm giving him directions. The directions are 1, read package, 2, show product, 3, do swatch, 4, guess the price. How will he do? Okay, so rip it apart. Do whatever you want to do.
Here we go.
This is the first time Pat's ever been on YouTube. Ah! Oh my God. I have like a $5 phone tripod. Of course it shows. Okay, Patrick.
First item.
Oh my God, you're doing so good already. Major editing needed. Oh. Okay, Patrick.
Here we go.
Okay.
The first item is, I don't know, but there's stuff in it.
Well, is it a bag?
It's a bag.
What does it say on it?
It says, and off she went to change the world.
Let me show the camera.
Off she went to change the world.
Okay.
Let's see what's in it.
Wow, you're good at this so far.
Here we go.
Okay, we're back. We had a phone malfunction. Okay, can you show the product?
Yes, we have a Yumi Estate.
What is it?
Oh, it's a baked highlight powder.
Where would you put that?
You would put it where you needed powder.
Where? Well, where would you put it?
On my face.
Oh, you would?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you open it?
Comes in a nice little container.
Okay. Easily
opened.
Okay. And then you swatch it. Swatching. You do it your way. Go ahead. No, I want you do it your way. You show the camera. You didn't put anything on your hand. So dig in deep. And put it on your hand. And show the camera.
Isn't that nice?
Can you describe the color for us?
It's a little light, a little pinkish.
What parts of your face would you put that on?
The areas that need light and pinkish color.
Like what?
The cheeks.
Where else?
So.
Okay. Let's move on. Product number 2. How much do you think that's worth?
It's worth $10.
Okay.
We have a nice brush.
Okay. You can pull off the packaging. Hey guys, it is the next day, and we lost some of our video, so I wanted to fill in the gap, and right when Patrick unveiled the brush, he indicated that he thought that this brush was for mascara. It's actually a really cute brush. It has 2 little rhinestones on it, and it's rose gold. It's a short shader brush. He then opened the Man-Eater. Oh, he also thought that this brush, right, did I already say that, was for mascara. He then opened the Tarte Man-Eater mascara. He then opened the Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer Moisturizer by First Aid Beauty. Opened it, liked the smell, told me he was going to use this as a night cream on his face, and he said that he thought it was worth $40. And then he opened the Ciate Lip Luster. It's a pink sparkly gloss. It is in the color Call Me. So that is what happened when we lost the video. Oh, there's something else in the bag.
Oh, they hid this from us. Look at this. We have Brazilian bum cream.
Ooh.
You put on your bum.
Oh, okay. Why don't you tell us a little bit more about that product?
I haven't used it yet.
Okay, well, you have glasses on, and it has words on the back.
It's infused with powerful, guaranteed extract.
What are the directions?
Fast absorbing body cream held tight and smooth like no other.
Why don't you smell it? Demonstrate it. You can put it on your hand. Tell us what it's like. Is there a seal? Oh, there's a seal!
This is super good. It's sealed.
Oh, the hygienicness of it all is fabulous. Here. Okay.
Oh, look, it looks good.
Show the camera. What does it smell like?
A little bit coconutty, but not too strong.
Okay. So where would you use that? Oh, you gotta put it on your face. Okay. Where?
On your face.
Well, I have makeup on.
Okay, I don't want to mess up your makeup then.
I have my green eyeshadow on. So, where do you think you could use this cream?
On your neck and...
Testicles?
Yeah, sure.
Nah, I don't have testicles.
No.
Okay. How much do you think this is worth?
$25.
Okay. This is worth $25. You like the smell of it?
This is very nice.
Hi guys. So, part of my video got cut out, but Pat thought that the Boom Boom cream was worth $25. It was 1 ounce, and he, I think, planned to use that on his face. He also planned to use the First Aid Beauty Primer Moisturizer on his face as a night cream. Interesting choices. But the part of the video that got cut out was that when we looked in the bag, we found the Boom Boom cream, which was an add-on that I paid extra for. I paid $3 for that, but I also paid $12 for the Huda Mauve Obsessions palette, and it was not in the bag. So that was the thing I was most excited about for this bag, and it was not in there. But according to Pat, I think he believes that the value of the bag is worth somewhere around $400 or so. It's funny. What else? Oh, also, if you are an Ipsy member, to get the add-ons, you need to go to the Ipsy.com on the 2nd of the month, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. You have to click onto the spoiler alert, which shows you your bag. That then gives you access to the add-ons. So I'm watching a lot of unboxings for this month from Ipsy, and a lot of people did not take advantage of this. I set my alarm. I got up 9 o'clock on the 2nd, and whammo, everything was there. There were 3 different Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes. There was mauve, there was smoky, there was coral, and then there were multiple, those are full-size palettes. Those Huda were 9-color palettes, worth $27. And then the smaller size items were $3 each. So it was a really good deal. And I think you guys should mark your calendars for the 2nd of the month, 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Go on to the Ipsy site and choose some add-ons. I mean, come on, Huda, $12? I want to say it's a great deal, but they didn't even send it to me. So, please, Ipsy, send it to me. I need it in my life. Happy St. Pat's, everybody, and I hope you enjoy this video. So, have a great night.